Hello, I'm Marcus Meyer with Gator Cleaning Solutions, coming to you with the best way to remove gum from the carpet. You want to start by taking a spoon or a spatula and scraping away any excess gum. Be sure not to use any sharp objects. You do not want to damage the carpet fibers. At this point, you want to take a bag of ice and rub over the remaining gum until it feels frozen. And then vacuum or brush away any loose pieces. You can then take a mild soap detergent with 1 tablespoon of dish soap to 1 cup of water, saturate the area, take a clean cloth, and blot any excess gum that may be left. This is Marcus Meyer with Gator Cleaning Solutions on the best way to remove gum from the carpet.